A montage of photographs depicting students and teachers, a graphic of the Perkins logo and the words, "Teachable Moments." A title, Measuring Dry Materials for the Student Who is Visually Impaired, with Kate Fraser.
Hello, I'm Kate Fraser from the Perkins School for the Blind. Today we'll be talking about measuring dry materials in the science classroom for the student who is visually impaired.
Kate sits at a table and describes the materials for this demonstration.
We have here some dry material, stirring rods, measuring spoons, measuring cup, a small container, and a talking scale. First, let's talk about dry measure using measuring spoons and measuring cups. Given a spoon of the amount of measurement that you desire for your experiment, instruct the student to dip, what I call the dip level method.
She dips a small measuring spoon into a container of dry material and uses a stirring rod to remove the excess.
So bring it over and hold it level. Get your stirring rod, which will work as your leveling stick. The student can actually feel when they're on the level here. Bring it across and level off the excess. Then bring your material over to your experiment. For a dry measure, the desired amount, dip. It may take a student practice. They may need to be directly taught to tip if there's not a lot in the container. Again, hold it level.
She uses the same method to remove the excess from the measuring cup.
Come, find the level, bring it across. And again, add it to the experiment. So now we introduce the talking scale.
Kate presses a button to power up the scale, and we hear a mechanical voice response.
Hello. I'm ready.
We've already established that this container has a negligible amount of mass. I'm going to put this on our talking scale once it's told us that it's ready. And we'd like to measure about 70 grams of this material for our particular experiment. So once we've done that, we're then going to add the material.
She places the cup with the material on the scale.
67 grams.
So it might need to add a bit more to get it to 70. Add a little bit more.
73 grams.
Okay, just continue to get the right amount. The student can hear and measure quite accurately.
70 grams.
There we have it. We'll say goodbye to our talking scale for today. And that is our teachable moment for today, measuring dry materials for experiments for students with visual impairments.